Hello guys, welcome back to my lecture on linear equation in two variables. In the last lecture, we had discussed about the four methods, that is elimination by equating coefficients, substitution method, ASA, Cramer's rule. Now we will be discussing about the graphical method. So already I have made this. So in this method, we will directly start with an example. The question is x plus y is equal to 0 and 2x minus y is equal to 9. What you have to note here is you have to make the equation into x equal to or y equal to. Okay, make equation in x equal to or y equal to. इक्वेशन को x इक्वल टू में बनाओ या y इक्वल टू में बनाओ. So this first equation is x plus y is equal to 0. So I have made it into x is equal to minus y. Shifted this plus y to the right side. मतलब क्या हो गया कि ये इक्वेशन x इक्वल टू में बन गया. Now this was the second equation, 2x minus y is equal to 9. So 2x minus y is equal to 9. So we will write this equation as y equal to. Okay, so you can make this as y equal to by shifting this minus y to the right side. So when you shift the this minus y to the right side and this 9 to the left side, so you will get this. Minus y will become plus y, plus 9 will become minus 9. So that is y is equal to 2x minus 9. So what we have done, we have made this equation into x equal to and this equation into y equal to. Not necessary that you have to make one into x and other into y. ये भी x में हो सकता है, but making this into y equal to was easy, so we made it into y equal to. So now which letter is on the right side? एक बार जब x इक्वल टू और y इक्वल टू में बन गया, x इक्वल टू नहीं तो y इक्वल टू में, so we will only concentrate here right now, x इक्वल टू माइनस y. So which letter is on the right side? कौन सा लेटर राइट साइड पे है इक्वल टू का? ये तो लेफ्ट साइड में, ये राइट साइड. सो y is on the right side. So you have to assume values. You have to assume any value, any number for y. So y I have taken here 1. y को 1 लिखा. तो जैसे y की जगह 1 लिखेंगे इधर, तो x का वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा? x इक्वल टू माइनस 1. x इक्वल टू माइनस 1 बिकॉज y 1 लिया इधर. सो x का वैल्यू कितना आ गया? माइनस 1. सिमिलरली y को 0 लिया, सो x विल ऑल्सो बी 0. y को 2 लिखा, सो x विल बी x इक्वल टू माइनस 2. Okay, and so you will write minus 1 1 0 0 minus 2 2. Similarly for this equation, y is equal to 2x minus 9. Which letter is on the right side? Right side में कौन सा लेटर है? x. So x के लिए कौन सा भी नंबर assume करो. I have taken x as 2. Okay, you can assume any number. You can assume 10, 20, 30, but that much big graph it will be. Okay, so try to minimize the graph till 6. It will be seen properly on your graph. 6, 6, above 6, नीचे 6. So for here I have taken x as 2, so 2 2s are 4, x का वैल्यू 2 लिखा, तो 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 9 is minus 5. वैसे x का वैल्यू 3 लिया, so 2 3s are 6, minus 9 became minus 3 and 2 4s are 8, मैंने 4 लिया x को, 8 minus 9 is minus 1. So once you get this two tables, you have to plot this. minus 1 comma 1 इधर है, minus 1 comma 1, 0 comma 0 and minus 2 comma 2. Now we know how to plot the numbers. We have studied this in 8th standard, 9th standard, now again in 10th standard. Similarly plot, once you make a line, draw a line from these 3 points and write the equation on that. X plus y is equal to 0. Okay, x plus y is equal to 0. Now similarly plot this 2 comma minus 5, x का 2 और y का minus 5. x का 2 इधर है, y का minus 5 इधर नीचे आएगा किधर तो. Okay, because this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4, minus 5. So 2 comma minus 5 will be seen here. Okay, so 2 comma minus 5, and the second point is 3 comma minus 3, so 3 comma minus 3, and then the fourth is 4 comma minus 1. So we have the straight line. So what is the intersection point? Okay, so what is the intersection point? That will be your answer. ये जो intersection point आएगा वो तुम्हारा आंसर होगा. Okay, पहले x का लिखना है फिर y का लिखना है, and then you will directly write therefore solution set x comma y is equal to जो भी यहाँ पर आंसर आया वो. Okay, so here you will get 3 comma minus 3. Okay, यहाँ पर 3 आएगा minus 3. Now here you will say कि ये तो 4 minus 4 पे आ रहा है, but if you draw properly on the graph you will get x as 3, x का 3 आएगा और y का minus 3 आएगा. So we can say that x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 3 is the solution of this equation. Okay. Before drawing the graph, we have to write the scale also, that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axes, AX, ES. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. I hope you are clear with this. We will solve 2-3 more sums on this graphical method, so we will be very clear with the concept. Okay.